Today, I'm going to show you how to stop bots from seeing a channel in Discord, step by step in a simple way that anyone can follow. This is really useful if you want to keep certain channels private, reduce bot access, or make sure only the right people can view specific parts of your server. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the server where you want to make the change. Make sure you're in the correct server before you edit anything, because these settings apply to the channel you choose. Now find the channel you want to hide from bots. This could be a text channel that you only want members to use manually, or a private channel that should not be visible to automated bots. Right-click the channel name to open the menu. From that menu, click Edit Channel. This will take you into the channel settings, where you can control permissions and other options. Next, go to the Permissions section. This is where you can manage who can access the channel and what they're allowed to do inside it. Look for the Advanced Permissions options and expand them so you can see the detailed access controls. Now find the View Channel permission. This is the key setting that controls whether bots or other roles can see the channel at all. Disable View Channel for the bot role or the bot account you want to restrict. If the bot has its own role, make sure you're changing the permission for that specific role, not just the general server settings. After that, save your changes. Once saved, the bot should no longer be able to see that channel, which means it also won't be able to read or interact with anything inside it. If you need to hide the channel from multiple bots, repeat the same process for each bot role or permission group that has access. It's also a good idea to double-check your role hierarchy and permissions if the bot still appears to have access, because inherited permissions can sometimes override what you expect. And that's it. You've now hidden a Discord channel from bots by disabling View Channel in the permission settings. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.